Looking for a budget-friendly wireless mouse that performs well and lasts long? Allow us to introduce the Zebronics wireless mouse, priced just right at 249 INR. Compatible with desktops and laptops, this could be the solution you've been seeking. Stay tuned to discover whether this wireless mouse is worth your 249 INR. Let's dive into the features of this Zebronics wireless mouse. First off, the mouse boasts a resolution of 1200 dots per inch, offering precision control for your various computing needs. It's perfect for intricate tasks like photo editing or simply browsing through your documents. The mouse is also equipped with an advanced optical sensor. This high-tech feature ensures smooth and responsive cursor control, making your computing tasks a breeze. With 3-button control, you can effortlessly navigate through your tasks. Whether it's documentation, editing, or just everyday browsing, this mouse has got you covered. Not to mention, it's designed for durability. It's built to withstand over 1 million click cycles, promising a long-lasting performance that you can rely on. In terms of power requirements, the mouse operates on just a single AA battery, but don't worry about it running out of juice too quickly. It features an energy-saving mode that ensures efficient performance and an enhanced battery life. The Zebronics wireless mouse is not only feature-packed, but also impressively energy efficient. It's designed to provide maximum value, serving as an excellent tool for office workers, students, and anyone else who spends a significant amount of time on a computer. As you can see, this mouse is packed with features designed to improve your computing experience. But the Zebronics wireless mouse isn't just about high-tech features. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, making it ideal for editing, documentation, and browsing. The mouse is even built to work seamlessly on most surfaces. So whether you're an office worker, a student, or just need a reliable mouse for everyday desktop tasks, the Zebronics wireless mouse has got you covered. Impressed with the Zebronics wireless mouse? Offering easy control, durable performance, and energy efficiency, all at an unbeatable price. Click on the link in the description to buy this amazing wireless mouse now. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tech tips.